What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this look right here. This was actually inspired by Vanessa Gaima or Gima. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but this right here, I'll leave another photo right here of her, but she comes up with the most perfect looks on Instagram and I love her. Her work is just so amazing. This makeup is so perfect for the fall time and I am so excited that the fall time is actually here. I believe it's like next week. Hold on, let me just double check. Oh, tomorrow is the first day of fall, so what a perfect moment. So this is such like a orangey, kind of warm, sultry without being so dark kind of a look, and I think that that's really coming from the lashes and just a little bit of the liner. Even though I didn't wing it out, it just gives like a nice smoky look without being so dark, and that's the type of girl I am. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, then just stay tuned, but before then, please thumbs up this video if you enjoy. Also hit that notification button down below if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already. I should have said that backwards, but you get the point. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to prime with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is from my 35O palette. I'm taking the shade right here and I'm gonna start stamping that onto my crease. And then just start blending that out with circular motions. And I really want to build up this color. Taking my NYX white eyeshadow base and I'm gonna cut my crease. And I'm just gonna blend that out. So I'm not really doing like such a dramatic cut crease. It's more just cleaning up the lid space. And then taking this shade right here, I'm gonna pack that all over the lid. And now taking this orange shade from the very top corner, I'm gonna pack that on my brush and I'm kind of like laying it like almost like a liner right across right here and then also in my crease. So just packing it on. I'm not really blending, just packing it on first and then I start kind of blending. Fuck, these allergies, bro. I'm just blending that in. Then I'm just building it up again, just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that shade that we put on our lid and kind of blend that on top. This way they melt right into each other. I know I sound so stuffy right now. My nose is so clogged, like it's so runny and fucking allergies. I don't know if it's allergies or I'm getting sick because of the weather changing, but it's one of those. I'm just gonna blend out like that. I want it to be soft. I had a little bit of fallout. And then with that same brush, I'm gonna start blending that orange shade right underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs brownie liner and I'm gonna apply that into my waterline. I'm also gonna tightline with it and then I'm gonna smudge some right onto the top of my lid line, right here. And this does not have to be perfect. I'm just literally applying it just like that, so like this is really sloppy. Brush right here and I'm just gonna smudge that out. Just to give it like a little smoky-ish effect, but it doesn't have to be perfect like I just said. I'm just gonna go back in with that yellow orange shade and kind of just smudge on top. Just like that, like the smallest type of smoky ever. Then with my Juvia's Place palette, I'm taking the shade right here and I'm gonna apply that right onto the lid. So this was almost like a base for this color right here, just to give it a nice like little shimmer on top. I really love this shade. I'm gonna add a little bit more right here. It's like this kind of champagne white kind of color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna apply these lashes off camera. They're just like a generic kind of lash that I found like on Amazon. I'm just gonna pop these on and we'll be right back. So using my Benefit palette, I'm gonna be using bronzer right here, which is in the Hula Caramel. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit. And to further contour, I'm gonna take the original Hula. I haven't used this chair in so long to film, so it's like weird. I look so bronzy in person, but here I look like kind of washed out. I just trust I look a little cuter. I'm trying to put Gold Rush on and Coralista, but they are not showing up. So I'm gonna take this orange right here from the Juvia's palette, and yes, it's like more glowy, but it's not what I was looking for either. Oh, no, right, not right there. Don't do that. So I'm just gonna take, since I'm looking for an orange. Oh, you needed help? I'm gonna take this shade right here because nothing is showing up on me right now. So yeah, that's way better. NARS always comes through. So I'm just gonna set my face. And then I'm gonna take the shade Cookie. Highlight right on my nose. Bang. Right here. I love my Cupid's bow. So for lips, I'm taking Kylie Brown, True Brown K to line my lips today. Just like that. For lips, I'm gonna take the Dose of Cola Stone. I've been using this for such a long time. And then for gloss, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty. Now to set my brows, I'm going to take a little bit of the Gimme Brow in shade 3. And I only like to use shade 3 when I want my brows to look a little bit lighter but not so dark. And I mainly put most of the product in the front because I want it to be a little lighter. So you see how it's like almost like an ombre. That's what I did. And I only do that really when I wear my hair like in a low bun. Not really so much when I wear a high bun. Yeah, and then I'm just going to set that in place using some clear brow gel. I forgot to film an outro, so I'll just see you guys later. Bye.